Hi there guys, welcome to the Founder channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start mining Ergo to the Ether mine pool. So what you're going to need to do is get yourself over to ergo.flypool.org. I will drop a link in the description just to make it a little bit easier for yourself. Then what you're going to need to do is find yourself to the mining software. So if you have an AMD GPU or whether you have NVIDIA, depends on which miner software that you'll download. So for myself, I'm currently using an NVIDIA GPU, so I will be downloading NB Miner. Once you've downloaded your NB Miner, it'll look something like this. So all you're going to need to do is right click and extract it. You will need either WinZip or 7-zip to extract this type of folder. And once you've extracted that, you'll have something like this. So what you're going to need to do is find the start_ergo, press edit. A screen like this may come up, just press more information and run anyway. This is safe, it's just purely you editing the bat file. And then what you're going to need to do is replace the pool address and your own wallet address to here. So what I'm going to do is find myself back to my browser, open up my Nautilus wallet, press and receive, press copy, and open back up the bat file. So now I'm going to replace that with my address. I'll pop down 3090 for the GPU that I'm using. And then let's go ahead and grab the server details. Okay. Using the Stratum, so we're going to use the Stratum port as well. Okay. So now, as long as you control save that, so you go down to the folder that it was there, and once running, login successful. Okay. And what you're also going to need to do as well is once that's starting up, you may have to wait 10 minutes or so before your first shares to get accepted and get verified through to Ethermine. But what you're going to need to do is go up there, paste in your own address, and you now just have to wait until your first shares start coming through. And as it says there, no active workers found. If you just started mining, it can take up to 10 minutes for your stats to become visible in the dashboard. Okay, and at the moment they are currently, to celebrate the Ethereum merge, we're offering a 0% pool fee for the month of September. So there's not that many days, so it's probably worth just jumping in and grabbing those 0% pool fees compared to some of the other pools that are out there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or if you'd like to see me do some other mining videos on other cryptocurrencies, please do let me know in the comments below.